even as a SENCO, I mean, I didn't spot it, so how bad do I feel? I think the thing is to just be family, to support, to love, to praise, to look for the strengths and to love them, to just do the best that you can for them. I would say if school is providing them with some resources to support them, then try to use those resources at home. If they're using some sort of aid to help them to remember for their PE kit or what to pack in their bag, use the same thing at home. Put it on the fridge, tick off lists, so that the child sees that they're not one thing in one place and one thing in another, but it's the same. Don't see it as a weakness, see it as a strength. Everybody's different. It's not that they're lacking, it's just that it's different.
I've always said though with that, in that whilst Mum kind of felt bad when I got my diagnosis that she hadn't spotted it, but I said that wasn't your job. So to all of those parents out there, if you have a child with dyslexia, don't feel bad. It's not your fault that you didn't see it. You're not there to be the teacher, you're not there to be the educator, you're there to be the parent. And that was kind of one of the first things that me and Mum kind of talked about, in that I was like, it wasn't your thing to spot in that way. No. Looking back, we can see loads of things that it impacted, but that wasn't almost our place to identify them.
No, I would say on that, if you've got a brighter than average child at home, then look for the difference. Look for perhaps that one thing that stands out. Hannah alluded to the fact that her spelling was her weakness, and I can look back now and think, yes, the spelling was that initial thing.
I think since I've got the diagnosis, everyone in the family's been a little bit better at remembering that I have dyslexia. It's not an excuse, but now it means that sometimes Mum and Dad will give me bits in bursts, or like shorter lists, or leave me a note.
Write it down.
Because they know that actually I might have all of the best intentions in the world to do those things, but I just forget.
The other thing I'd say to families is there's great websites out there that you can go to for support. Online training is a great one to go to. Lots of CPD courses that can be found there for teachers, and there's increasingly ones on there for parents that they can access as well. I highly recommend that. The British Dyslexia Association as well is another great one. There's other companies as well, like Nessie. They offer tips for parents and staff, teachers with children with dyslexia, what to do, what not to do.